this charger right here. Little wide body, sky pack. Alright, so welcome back to another video. So I finally decided to pick up the camera after like a few months, like 5 or 6 months. I know recently I just dropped a video, but that video was kind of like recorded within the span of those 6 months I've been missing. So like the first clip probably was recorded in like November, like mid-November, somewhere around there. All the different clips were just like videos I recorded throughout the months. But now this one right here should be like kind of like a present day, like an actual present day video. Like this should be dropped like within a week. You know, decided to pick up the camera and take a little drive. I do got to change my trans fluid, so I'm kind of driving it right now, and I'm gonna let it warm up, then take it back home and then let it cool down a little bit, and then try to drain the fluid. But I know a lot of y'all been saying that y'all missed the video, so I'm trying to drop some. But right now we're just gonna take a little cruise, take a little drive. This Mercedes, I like, they ain't wanna let a nigga go. So before I go back to the house, I just want to show y'all what the car looking like. Still on the same wheel setup as it was, you know, the past 6 months ago. Had this set up for probably like a year now. I also got like a couple more things I did to the car since I've been, you know, taking this little 6-month break from YouTube. But as you can see, I got a velocity stack right there, and I got another one on this side. This one right here is actually routed up to the stock airbox, but this one right here, I was going to try to route it to this one as well, but I got to figure out how to maneuver it around like the radiator and then all the stuff around here. So right now it's just a pipe right there, or like a little drain pipe or whatever. So it's just going up into the engine bay. So I guess it's for cooling purposes, but I wanted to route it to my airbox. So I got to figure out how to do that. But I know some of y'all probably wondering, like, why is he running a slick or a semi-slick on a street car? I mean, I just like the look of it, and then also I'll explain why I actually have it. There is a reason why I have it, but I'm gonna tell y'all that in another video. But I just overall like the look of it. All right, so I got my trans fluid right here. Got an extra bottle somewhere back there from the last time I changed it, but full course right here. I already started draining it. It should be done now. So I'm put that bolt back on and go from there. We got the trans fluid changed, and this bad boy shifting like it's brand new, crispy and everything. I'm gonna let y'all see it or hear it. Hopefully y'all can hear it. So right now I'm in 4th, 5th. Damn, my gas light just came on. gonna try to do a little pull for y'all once I get to the highway. Hopefully 12 ain't around. Got a free road, no cars around. We just gonna hit it a little bit. Give it a little hit. Not too much. Just enough so y'all can see. So y'all can see a little pull. See how this thing get up. Gas light on, so right now we lightweight. Turn that air off. Got traction control on. Nice. It's 85 degrees right now, and the car's still pulling real good. That's one thing I love about this car right here. It's just I always enjoy it when I drive it. And I've driven like faster cars, and like still when I get in this car, like just the overall performance of it, like it just exceeded my expectations. Shift, second gear. Oh man. I'm gonna try to hit it in a little bit once I make this U-turn at this light. We got a little Porsche behind us. There you go, there you go.
Five hours later.
Last pull, I did it in third gear. I wish I went in the second, but you know, third gear still pulled pretty hard at that speed. I ain't complaining. That was pretty fast right there. Just wait till y'all see what I got in store for y'all later on, man. You come back 7 months later, and you doing all this?